guys, my name is Leda Fazal. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina. And today, I am honored to have Dominique Dawes in my salon.
Everyone, how are you?
You want to tell us why you're here? Why you made the journey to Raleigh, North Carolina?
Yes, well, I actually made this 4.5-hour journey for my oldest daughter. I will say that, you know, she's a diver, she's a gymnast, she plays lacrosse, and when she was swimming this summer, her hair got very matted up. And I'm embarrassed to say that I could not get it out. My husband couldn't get it out. And so my cousin / aunt, who's also a hairstylist, found your salon. And I made the commitment, and I am amazed with the results. You guys are truly miracle workers.
Thank you so much. You have no idea how many people you have just touched their hearts. Like, because a lot of people don't understand that demattings can happen, you know, or they're embarrassed to go to a salon to get it done. And it's like, it can happen to anybody.
Yeah, I'm a mom of 4 kids. I have a 9-year-old daughter, 8-year-old daughter, and 5.5-year-old boy-girl twins. And I must say I was a little embarrassed this summer because I couldn't get it out. My husband couldn't get the tangles out. And with our little ones just being so active as they are, and I own a couple of gymnastics and ninja academies in the state of Maryland, I just didn't have as much time nor skill. I will say I can still flip at 46 years old, but one thing I cannot do is do hair well, nor can I demat hair, and so I came to the professionals.
And I'm truly honored because y'all don't even know how inspirational she was to me.
Aww.
When I was 11, 12, I don't know, it was 96. I mean, the Olympic team, I mean, you had to live under a rock if you didn't know who this was, or not born.
We're not born. Yes, exactly, Caleb.
And so I've never in my life, when I heard her name, I was like, oh my God, Dominique Dawes is coming here. And for dematting, like, again, this is something that happens. It happens. Don't be embarrassed about it. And just, you may need to call around, or you can always come to Raleigh, North Carolina. We can do it. We can do it and get it done. And our little girl is almost done.
Yes, almost done. And then where's my gold medal? Because I feel like
you want to get it?
Yep, I gotta do that. So I brought my gold medal because honestly, accomplishing this feat of getting out these knots, I feel as if any stylist that could do this deserves to have a gold medal placed around their neck.
Oh my God. Yeah. Wow. Oh my God. This is, I would have never bet money that this would ever happen.
Oh.
Like, I mean, you don't understand my obsession. Oh. Like, for real, like, oh.
Well, let me be honest. With the amount of locks and tangles in my daughter's hair, I thought her hair was going to have to be cut off and that she would have a ½ inch of hair. That's how bad it was. So I would never imagine that this would happen. So thank you.
Oh my God, you're the best. Oh, thank you so much. We can't wait to show you the finished product. Blow dry time. What's up, y'all? So we are flat ironing her hair. We're almost done. Start to finish, we're looking at about 3 hours. Not bad. Her tangles, her mats were soft, and so that's what makes the difference. If they're soft, it's gonna go a lot faster. If your mats, like the knots, are real rock hard, generally those can take much longer, maybe 8 to 9 hours. But we did it, 3 hairstylists, and I'll show you the finished product soon. All right, guys, she's all done tangle-free, and we're gonna give her lots of tips on how to keep the tangles away. We did straighten her today. We're probably gonna give her a little trim as well, but this total took about 3 hours, and 3 stylists, myself, Kaylin, and Anna. Super excited. Woohoo!